Pagan Pride hat. There it is. If you have missed WitchsFest USA, the hat. I love it. Love it.
Okay.
Is Pagan Pride returning to Battery Park this year?
It better, maybe. We're waiting. I hope so.
We got another event to see each other again. Until next time. So again, if you've missed WitchsFest, there is another gathering here in New York called Pagan Pride. Now when I say another gathering, it doesn't mean it's the only one. There is Beltane on Long Island. Star also does a Samhain event. And if you wanted to learn more, it is the Wiccan Family Temple. If you wanted to get some education, you can attend some classes. All right, it was so much fun, we walked it twice. And that is WitchsFest USA. Till next time, keep exploring and enjoying.